The new Wave Enviro Stainless 2.2-Gal Dispenser is a great choice. It holds a lot of water, which is convenient. The stainless steel build is strong and sleek. It also resists rust well. We found it very easy to use. Setting it up was simple. Filling it was also a breeze. Plus, cleaning it felt effortless. Thus, it's a perfect addition for any home. You can place it on a counter, or you can put it on a table. Its compact size helps it fit anywhere. Therefore, it saves valuable space too. Ultimately, it's a wise investment. This dispenser pours water smoothly. It has a sturdy spigot. We noticed no leaks at all. Furthermore, it keeps your water fresh. The stainless steel prevents odors. It also avoids unwanted flavors. Think of it as a silent guardian. It protects your water's purity. Moreover, the new Wave Enviro Stainless 2.2-Gal Dispenser is built to last. It handles daily use easily. Its durability is a major plus. Indeed, it feels like a reliable friend. You can count on it for years. In conclusion, this dispenser is a true gem. It offers great value. Its design is practical and smart. We highly recommend the new Wave Enviro Stainless 2.2-Gal Dispenser. It's perfect for families. It's also great for offices. Overall, it's a top-notch product. It will quench your thirst, and it will do so for a long time. Pros: arrived in 2 days, seller sent priority mail free, package clearly marked fragile, arrived. Dent-free, did not leak, gaskets supplied were thick, plastic lid gasket included, container holds over 2 gallons, made from number 304 food-grade stainless, works perfectly, no leaks for over 2 years, fantastic product. Cons: plastic spigot, container not that thick, could dent if rough. Features: 2.2-gallon capacity, made of stainless steel, rust-resistant material, easy to clean, durable. Construction: dispenses water easily, good for countertop use, reusable and eco-friendly. BPA-free, simple design. This 2.2-gallon water dispenser is made of strong stainless steel. It won't rust and is easy to keep clean. The dispenser is built to last and easily pours out water. Its simple design makes it great for putting on a countertop. Plus, it's reusable and doesn't contain BPA, which makes it a good choice for the environment. This new Wave Enviro 2.2-gallon stainless steel water dispenser arrived quickly and in perfect condition, thanks to the seller's free priority mail shipping and clear, fragile labeling. It's made from number 304 food-grade stainless steel and works perfectly, with no leaks even after 2 years of use. While the plastic spigot works well and the included gaskets are thick. Even a plastic lid gasket, the container isn't super thick, so it could dent if handled roughly.